tatanungin muna natin ang ibang coaches kung anong masasabi nila sa performance na ibinigay ninyo. We will start off with Coach Bamboo.
So certain points that were a bit shaky, control issues everywhere. I'll go with this, with the section I liked the most. And the singer who gave that to me, si Fatima.
May mga punto na I felt na yung mga adlibs in-overpower yung mismong kanta. Kung kanino ako talagang naniwala na I got the song, I will have to go with Fatima.
Binigyan nilang ibang flavor yung kanta. Iba yung atake, kaya na-appreciate ko. Napakagaling ni Miko, pero I'm going with Fatima.
But the decision is still up to her. So, Coach Sarah?
Ramdam na ramdam pa rin yung kaba. Kasi medyo naparami nga yung adlibs ninyo. For this round, naging consistent naman itong artist na ito. Alam niya yung ginagawa niya. Naniniwala naman din ako na kayang-kaya niya talagang lumaban sa next stage ng competition na ito. Artist na pipiliin ko, ay si Fatima.
Congratulations, Fatima. Welcome sa Knockouts. You're still part of Team Sarah.
Congratulations, anak.
Coaches, Miko is up for steal. Anything you want to say kay Coach Sarah?
Una-una po sa lahat, thank you po, Coach, dahil nagtyaga po kayong turuan ako.
Alam ko naman kung gaano kakagaling. Talaga nagbibinataan ka na. Bigyan mo muna ng panahon na mag-settle na yung boss mo. Tapos okay yan, tuloy lang ng tuloy.
Thank you very much, Miko.